Maybe not. Yeah.
Somebody open it for me.
On top of that brown shelf in the kitchen, it's in a box.
You need ropes. I know. It may be in here.
He's not finding it. That's hilarious.
What?
One more present I forgot to wrap. You're so funny. Sarah. Here, hold this. Let me get it recorded and then give that to Jackson.
Lucky.
Oh, it is recording, aren't it?
I love the
Thank you.
brownies.
Here, Jackson. I forgot to wrap one.
Is that food good?
I was laying in bed at 1 o'clock in the morning and said,
Corn portal? You gotta be kidding me, Mom!
what do you say?
I love you!
Oh, I love you too.